Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up workflows in HubSpot. First, clearly define the purpose and desired outcome for your automation. Next, identify the specific trigger event that will initiate the workflow, such as a form submission or a property change. Then, select the appropriate enrollment criteria to ensure only the right contacts or deals enter your automated sequence. This foundational step is crucial for building effective and targeted campaigns. Once your workflow is triggered, it is time to design the actions. You can add various steps, such as sending automated emails, updating contact properties, or creating tasks for your team. Remember to incorporate delays, perhaps for 1 day or 3 days, to space out communications effectively and avoid overwhelming your audience. Also, utilize if/then branches to create personalized paths based on contact behavior or property values, ensuring a tailored experience for everyone. Before activating your workflow, thorough testing is essential. Test it with a small, internal group of contacts to ensure every step functions as intended. Carefully review the enrollment history and action logs to verify that contacts are moving through the sequence correctly and that all actions are executing accurately. This critical review process allows you to identify and make any necessary adjustments, preventing potential issues once the workflow is live for your entire audience. With thorough testing complete, it is time to activate your workflow and begin automating your tasks. Once live, continuously monitor its performance. Pay close attention to key metrics such as email open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates to gauge effectiveness. Use these insights to identify areas for improvement. Regularly optimize your workflow, perhaps by adjusting delays or refining email content to ensure it consistently delivers the best possible results for your business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.